In this video, we're going to create the bowl of powdered cocoa. To create the bowl of cocoa, I'm going to start in my orthographic front view. Holding down the space bar, I'll go to Create, Curve Tools, CV Curve Tool, and the Attributes. I'm going to set the attributes to 2. I'll begin the path I'm going to create to revolve it against the vertical y-axis. I'm paralleling what I just placed on the outside of that path to give the bowl a thickness. I'll hit return. Now if I wanted to, because of the history involved, I could right click, hold Control, and I can go in and edit it. Or if I chose, I could revolve it, and once I have the full geometry, I can then edit it again as well. Once I've adjusted the Bezier points, return to the object mode, I'll hold down the space bar. Going to surfaces, the third term down is revolve. I'll go to the attributes. I'll choose edit reset settings, making sure that the selected axis is Y, and I'll click apply. Going to my perspective view, I should have something like this. Now this happens quite often with this version of Maya and the previous one, that your geometry may appear to be black. You wouldn't see your textures like this either. Inside the viewport, you'll see some terms at the very top: view, shading, and lighting. I'm going to go to lighting, and I'm going to choose two-sided lighting to show me my geometry. If I chose to re-edit the bowl, I could return to the front view. I'll go to lighting, two-sided lighting, and I could move the shape I just revolved away from the path, and then I can select the path. Because of the history, I can now choose Control Vertexes with a right click, and I could start to move these around if I chose. The shape is subjective as long as it's something very simple. Once I have the bowl that I want, I'm going to delete by type history, and now I can delete the path. Next, we need to put the cocoa in the bowl.